This 5-minute solution will show you how to turn on and turn off iPhone without power button. So if you don't know how to turn off your iPhone using the power button, or if your iPhone power button is not working, don't worry. You can easily turn off and turn on your iPhone without power button. Now let's see how you can do it. First of all, open your iPhone settings, scroll down, tap on General, scroll down. Here you'll find this shutdown option. So to turn off your iPhone without power button, tap on shutdown. And now you can slide this button to turn off your iPhone. And to turn on your iPhone without power button, all you have to need, just insert the charging cable in your iPhone and charge your iPhone. Once you started to charge your iPhone will automatically turn on. So that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.